What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are, this is a new case I have on the channel from a brand that I haven't featured before. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here I have the Moft case from the guys at Moft. So big up to Moft for hooking me up with this for the channel. And this is a Magsafe compatible case, but this is also a vegan leather by Moft. Yeah, I'm quite intrigued to see what Moft have to offer here with vegan leather. Apple, if you're watching, which I know you won't be, but if you're watching, take note, because vegan leather, fine woven, know what I mean? Just saying. So look at that. Oh wow, that's really nice. That's really nice. What the heck is this? Oh, and then in the box then we have a Moft's own lanyard loop set up here, which is pretty funky. Not a fan of lanyards, so I'm not going to look at it, but that's pretty funky. So no returns if removed. Well, I don't plan on returning it because it actually looks very, very nice. There, I'm a maverick. So this is very, very nice. Very nice leather feel. We have Moft's branding here. And on the side here we have, yep, metal buttons. Lovely. Camera guard is a harder plastic. I would have liked to have seen that to have been metal, but yeah, I'm not mad at it. So that's very, very nice. As you can see, it's got that lovely leather texture, and it goes right the way around the case, so there's no bumpers or anything there, which is quite nice. On the inside, whoa, look at that. That microfiber lining, that is plush. And just to answer any questions, yes, the buttons are metal, but as you can see, the buttons on the inside are coated with the same microfiber lining, so that's not going to mark up your phone. A lot of people have been asking me in comments on other videos with metal buttons, do they scuff up? So I just wanted to feature that bit in. So if you find that useful, drop me a massive thumbs up down below. That is really, really nice. I'm really impressed with that. Thin leather case, and it's vegan leather as well. So Apple, you can still make a leather case without skinning animals, and yet you still give us fine woven. Just saying. Just saying. I'm really, really impressed with that. So let's just weigh this case. 34 grams. Do you know what? This is a really light case. It's really light, and I'm really impressed with that. That lovely microfiber lining is absolutely. I like that. That's really nice. And Moft have also sent me across these as well. So we have Magsafe. These are Magsafe phone stand and wallets. So this one is a phone stand and wallet, and this one is an invisible phone tripod stand. Interesting. Oh, look at that. Pull me. It's funky. So we'll get a wee look at them in a bit. Yeah, so let's just pop this in here and let's just see what this is. Do you know what? I'm going to be straight up. I wasn't really sure what to expect. Like Moft is a brand that I have been aware of for quite a while, but I wasn't overly sure what the quality was like. I've never been hands-on with them. I wasn't sure, but you know what? I'm really impressed with this case. Really impressed. This is the blue iPhone. So the blue iPhone with the black leather. It doesn't look out of place, but I do know Moft do some other colors in this, and I will show you them on the screen right now. But you have really good color options here. But I will say I am really impressed with the quality of this vegan leather. It is really nice. So here we have our cutouts for our speaker and our USB-C port, all well and good. Our black metal buttons, and on the button on the other side, buttons really clicky and responsive. Fitment, so we'll just give it a twist at the corners. Phone isn't even moving. Perfect fitment. That's really good. So screen lip, So the leather cases typically do have a minimal lip on them, but there is a lip up over the display. So if you do set it down flat, it is going to lift that phone up off the surface, so the display won't touch. That's great. And the camera bump then as well, you can see the lenses do not protrude out. It's a solid plastic, so if you do set that down, it's not going to scuff up those camera lenses either, which is great. If you want a thin minimalistic leather case, yeah, this is definitely one of the great options out there. And yeah, I really like it. I really like it. What do you guys think? So this leather does feel grippy, and now how it patinas and how it wears and over time is the big question. But straight out of the box, it feels like it's hard wearing, and it feels really grippy, and I really do like it. And it is a Magsafe case, so as you can see, we do have the Magsafe layout, which is perfect, which means we can Magsafe test it. So let's check this out. This case so far has ticked a lot of really good boxes for me, so I'm hoping the Magsafe doesn't let me down, because that would really hurt my feelings. Just saying. So here we go. Let's check this out. Oh wow. Oh yeah. That's real decent Magsafe. So yeah, great Magsafe test there. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's just double check what these accessories are like. So these seem to be the same black vegan leather, which is quite nice. It's a real nice match. And so this is the snap stand and wallet. So your wallet, obviously it snaps out like that into a stand, but then you've got your wallet part here, so you can set your phone up like so if you want to watch a bit of content, or maybe use it as a bit of a tripod or something like that. You can do that, and then when you're done, it just goes back down and it'll protect your cards there as well, that's pretty cool actually. If you are familiar with Moft, like I've followed Moft for years, and some of their little stands and mounts and stuff are so cool, and they're so minimalistic, and I really like these. I'm not really one for wallets, but that's pretty cool. And even at that, even if you don't want to use that as a stand, even if that's out like that, you can slip your fingers in there and you can use it to hold your phone, kind of like a pop socket type thing, which I'm not mad at. It's pretty nice. So that's the snap stand and wallet, which is really cool. So that's a pretty cool accessory. And then this one is the invisible phone tripod stand. So it's pretty slim and minimalistic. So you stick that onto the back of your phone like so, and then look at this, that there pops out like that. So you've got your little hinge part here, and on the inside here we've got work, create, anywhere. That's nice. And again, you want to do tripoding. The hinge actually is wow, the hinge is really strong on that. Woo, look at that. So that can really take the weight of your phone. So do you know what, if you're wanting to do a FaceTime call, or set up and take a bit of a photograph, and you don't want much shaking, or you want to use your hands, you can set that up as a little tripod. That's really cool. And surprisingly, see, for it being so thin, just a series of magnets. You see where the stand comes out, and then that magnet sticks in place to give you your support. Like, this is all very thin and very light, but it's very, very strong. And that hinge, like that's the full weight of the 15 Pro Max. And look at that, like like that's holding that phone. That's a crazy hinge. That's so good. Top marks, Moft. The accessories here are fantastic. They're really, really cool. So yeah, thanks for sending those over. That's really cool. So guys, what do you think of the case and these accessories? Let me know in the comments down below. That stuff's really cool. I really like that. The case overall is pretty decent. A little bit of feedback I would give to Moft. Just when I did do that Magsafe test and I gave it a shake, the phone seemed to be coming out at the corner where the cameras are at. I'm not sure, maybe it's something to take a look at, bit of feedback, but overall the case is great. The feel of it, the quality of it, the buttons, the MagSafe, it's all good. Yeah, I really like it. I'm gonna have to pick up some of the other colours now as well because that's a real nice case. So don't forget to leave me some comments down below, let me know what you think. Have you picked these up, or if you're thinking of picking these up, let me know in the comments down below. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more 15 Pro Max content coming, and if you are looking for any more tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.